Hello friends, I am Dr. Sarabjit Garewal speaking from SAS Garewal Multi-Speciality Hospital. You're welcome to Wellbeing by PBN Music. The topic for today is infertility. Infertility is a very complicated issue, and we need to test both the couples, the husband and the wife. And normally what people do is they insist on testing the female and the male is left side, but I insist that the male and female should be tested together. So what we do is, first we examine the patient and get some tests done, which are the basic tests, which are blood, urine, thyroid test, and the husband has to have semen analysis. So in that we come to know if there's any abnormality, anything going wrong there. And after that we do a little bit of counseling. In the counseling we tell them what are the favorable days for conception. The favorable days are like when the periods start, from the first day of the start of periods to 10th day, normally conception does not occur, and in the middle 10 days, from the 10th to 20th day, usually the conception occurs, and then from the 20th to the 30th day again the conception does not occur. So in the middle 10 days are the best days to have pregnancy. So what we do is we tell the patients about this. After we get the blood and urine test done and semen analysis, we go in for an X-ray of the tubes, or we could even do a hysteroscopic examination, which is Durbeen wala examination we call it. In that we come to know if there's any abnormality inside the uterus and whether the tubes are open, and we can see the dye going through the tube, so we know that the tubes are fine. And then we go in for a simple ovum scan. Ovum scan means to see during the middle of the cycle whether the egg formation is normal and it's good, and that's what we, without any treatment, this can be done. Now if everything is fine and still the patient is not conceiving, then we go in for the treatment. For the treatment, if there's any problem with the lining or there's any problem with the size of the egg, so we give treatment accordingly. One thing I must tell you, which most people don't know, any couple who is normal takes about 1 to 2 years to conceive under normal circumstances, which is a long time. In India, after 6 months, the parents are eager to have, there should be a baby. So we do not start investigating before 6 months. So we let the patient try for normal pregnancy without any treatment, and we can just do the blood test, urine test and the X-ray, and then let the patient for 6 months to 1 year. So that's about all, I think, and they should be given fertility enhancing medicines like folic acid and some antioxidants, and we should just wait, and if everything doesn't work in 1 year, then we can go in for major investigations and we can give treatment also. Thank you so much, and if you have any doubts, you can put them in the comment box. I can give you the answers in the next video. Thank you.